Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. And I hope that you are all okay. And we have last time exercise 2.4 started, our exercise 2.4. That is your lecture number 29. And inshallah, here is question number 5. So in case of question number 5, you can check P or P, not P and not Q, or P or Q is equal to P or not P and not Q. Again, we have two possibilities, P and Q. P and Q, then not P, not Q, not P and not Q, then P or not P and not Q. After that, P or Q, P or Q, then we will take P or not P and not Q, or P or Q, or mean union, and mean intersection. You can see we have this truth table T, T, F and F, T, F, T, F. Not P is again F, F, T and T. Not Q is F, T, F and T. Not P and not Q, and mean intersection. Remember that in case of intersection, there must be present in both F, F, F and T. After that, we will take union with P. Not P and not Q with union with P. This one, or mean union. Union mean if it comes in one, it will come in union. Here is F and T is T. F and T is T. F and F is F. F, T and F is T. This is your P or not P and not Q. After that, P or Q. P or Q mean union of this. Here is T, then T, then T, and then F. After that, we have take union of these two. Union of these two. P or Q, and this is union. Okay. Then we have T and T. P or not P and not Q. This is P or Q. No, this is F. Yes. And P or not P and not Q, or P union, P intersection. Is there any intersection? Well, last one is not R. This is N. Oh, sorry, I am checking from the book. P or not P and not Q, or P and Q. This is or P and Q. So in case of P and Q, it means that it will be an intersection. P and Q, intersection. This will be F. Here is F. And yes, this is F. This is F. After that, we have to take this here also. This one. Union of this and this column. Union of this and this column. This one is, actually this one is this one. P and Q, union of this. Union means coming in one, it will be in union. T, T, F, and P. Now we can check, this is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Dear students, you can check your column number 8 is in fact your left hand side. Your column number 8 is your left hand side. And your column number 6 is your right hand side. P or not P and not Q. From column number 6 and 8 you can check T and T, P and T, F and F, P and P. It is clear. So, it is clear from column number 6 and column number 8, left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way, we can check that. So that was your exercise 2.4. After that, we have exercise 2.8 or rather 2.5. In case of 2.5, we have to convert different operations into logical form and then we will construct their truth tables. Exercise 2.5. Convert the theorems to logical form and prove them by constructing truth tables. Exercise 2.5. Question number 1. A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Remember that I told you about the sets theory and the logic interaction between them, and I told you that complement is basically related to NOT in logics. Logical form of above law is not P and Q. Remember that intersection means and, complement means not. Not P and Q is equal to not P or not Q. Union is this one R. Not P or not Q. So here we will take the truth table. PQ, not P, not Q, not P or not Q, then P and Q, and at the end not P and Q. Here is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Dear students, you can check your 5 number column is about right hand side and 7 number column is about your left hand side. If these two columns are similar, that left hand side is equal to right hand side, you will prove that. Here is T, T, F, F, T, F and T, F. Not being an opposite of P. F, F, T and T. Not Q is, what is that? F, T, F and T. Not P or mean union. Or. F is F, T, T and T. P and Q. This is P and Q. And mean intersection. T, F, F and F. After that, not of this. Not of this being opposite option of this. True is false. This is true, true and true. From column number 5 and column number 7, you can check left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, from column 5 and column 7, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's your answer. After that, we have question number 2, 3 and 4. Now I am taking question number 4. Remember, there are 3 possibilities in question 2, 3, 4 because we have sets A, B, C and related to that we have P, Q, R. Here is question number 4. Question number 4 is A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. A union B intersection A union C. The logical form of above law is P, R, Q and R. Remember that P is for A and Q for B and C for R. Union is R and intersection is N. Similarly, then it will be PRQ and PRR. PRQ and PRR. There are 3 possibilities. I told you PQR. So we have P, Q and R. After that, Q and R, P, R, Q and R, then P, R, Q, P, R, R, then P, R, Q and P, R, R. This is your column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 3 options. So 2 power 3 is 8. I told you about this, that first member is always 50% true and 50% false. Then you can have T, T, T and T. F, F, F and F. There are no columns, so that's why it is better to draw the lines. Okay. We have approximately drawn that. This is 50% true, 50% false. Q is 50% of P. 4 mean 2 times TT FF, TT, FF. Now Q is 50% of Q. R is 50% of Q. TF, 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 and TF. Q and R and mean intersection. This is TF, F, F, T, F, F, and F. Now P, R mean union. P, R, Q, and R. This P and this Q and R. R, union. T, 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 then T, then F, F, and F. This is T and T. R mean union. TF is T, TF is T, TF is T, TF is T, and all the last three options are false. PRQ. What is PRQ? R. Here is PRQ. T, 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 and T. Then again T, and T, then F and F. Here. PRQ. PRR. PRR. T, 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 and T. 4 times. Then 4 times T. Then again, this is T, and this is F, F, and F. No, this is T, I think. It will be T. This is PRR, this is P, and this is R. T, 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 F, then T and F. Okay, these are and. And mean intersection in both. And intersection must be present in both. T, 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 T. And there is no and intersection, it will not be here. F, F, and F. Dear students, you can check your column number 5 representing your left hand side. Column number 5 is representing your left hand side, and column number 8 is representing your right hand side. You can check this one. These two columns are similar. It is clear from the column number 5 and column number 8, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear students, this is your exercise 2.5. I hope that you can do other parts by yourself with the help of this idea which I gave you. Now, before we start our next exercise, I have to mention some things. First of all, what is meant by binary relation? And then what is formally the first part of your ordered pair, or first part of binary relation. Usually, you know, you have seen this in chapter number 5 in 10th class. If you have set A is equal to AB and B has 1 and 2, first of all, you will take Cartesian product A cross B. You will take Cartesian product A cross B, that is A1, A2, A1, A2, B1, B2. This is known as Cartesian product, and subset of this Cartesian product is known as binary relation. This is known as binary relation. Subset of that is binary relation. For example, I am taking this A1 and B2. Name it as R1. So this is your binary relation R1, A1 and B2. Remember that first members are always the members of domain. First members values of X is known as domain set. A set consisting of first members, that is known as domain, and the set consisting of second members, that is known as range set. So domain set consists of values of X, first members values, and range is containing all the elements which are present at second position. They are the values of Y, in fact. That is known as domain and range. And after that, we will talk about the function. It is the correspondence between the two sets in such a way that if for every element of A there is one and only one unique image in B, that is known as a function. So different relations will have different types of functions. We have into function, onto function, one-to-one function. If a function is one-to-one and into, that is known as injective. And if the function is one-to-one and onto, that is known as bijective function. So in this way, we will have our exercise 2.6. Inverse of the function mean domain and range are interchanged. Domain and range are interchanged, then the function will become the inverse of the function. I hope that you have this idea before your previous class in 10th class, and you can do the things, but inshallah we'll do it in our next lecture and solve these questions which I gave you, which I have not solved here on the whiteboard. That will be considered as your homework. You can complete at home, solve them, and send it to me on WhatsApp. I will check it, inshallah. And if you have any problem, you can contact me, inshallah. So we will solve that problem. Okay. Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.